Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Many guys have asked me on the Telegram that why don't you promote your channel? Why don't you do the, just like the other YouTubers do? What they do, they first promote their channel for 1 to 2 minutes, or the intro or anything like that. The reason I don't use those kind of, tricks and tips because I only mean business, okay? I just made videos, just why are you here? Just to get to know the predictions or whatever the topic of the video is, okay? So I have told them, if you like the video, then please, it's okay. If you don't like, it is okay then also, because every person has a distant every person has a different perspective, sorry. So you see, this is how it goes. So I don't take much of the time. In most of my videos, what I do is I just start the video not by doing anything else, just I get straight to the point, no time wasting, that's it. And if you like that way, then please give it a thumbs up. And otherwise, if you dislike the video, if you don't like my point of view, then you can free to I'm free for everything. I'm free for every kind of what do you say in I can handle everything, okay? You can ask me anything, you can throw punches at me, you can exchange anything. You see, I'm free to everyone, okay? So it's your point of views, and my point of view might be different than yours, and it happens most of the time. It happens, and I have got so many hate and abuse in my comment sections, in my DMs, but I don't mind that, because every person has a different perspective, that's it. So I think it was necessary, because I just wanted to let you know, guys, that you can ask me anything, okay? I'm not charging anything. I am just here to testing my skills, as well as I am a human as well, after all, okay? So I make what I do, I make you see mistakes as well. So don't mind that. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing. If you don't like the channel, you can find anything else. There are a lot of YouTubers out there who can help you, who can give you the insights as well. I will do what's in my domain, so I will give it a best shot. So I think I have wasted 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm gonna now go on to straight to the chart. This is the XRP Ripple price prediction. So here we go. I have opened two charts right now. One is the Binance, the bottom one is the Binance, the top one is the Bitstamp. Why I use the Bitstamp? Because it was listed back in August 1st of August 2013, and on the Binance it was listed on the 1st of May 2018. So from here, from this area, the price started to behave the same, okay? But thing is, we have more data at this level, but we have more data at this area. You can see why price, you might be wondering why. If you take a look at here, guys, you can see here what an exact entry here. You can see why the price it reacted to this level. You see here, if we take a look at here as well, if I draw the levels, why is it not making? If we draw level here, okay, just make it a bit wider here. You can see, if we take a look at this level, okay, let me make this on 1.5, and that would be 1.97. okay, now if we would have taken the chart of Binance, the price could have made, the higher would be 1.51, but it was not that, okay? The price made a high of $1.99 here. You can see here, due to this one, okay, the swing high candle, you can see here. So that's why this chart is more predictable, it is more, you know, see, it's better than this one. Okay, it is better than the Binance one. So that's why I use the charts which have more candles, which have more data. They can give you the perfect insights of the analysis, or you can see anything. So I'm gonna now jump on straight to the Bitstamp, and here you can see I have already drawn the you see, this one is the resistance. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw this one. Yeah, we can make this as well. If we take a look at here, this one is a sport zone for now. This is on the monthly, just keep that in your mind, guys. This is on monthly one. Okay, and this is also a monthly chart as well. I'm gonna make this zone as monthly as well. So now we have two clear zones. You see how perfectly. Now the low would be this one, but that's too low. It's not gonna move out this one. We can draw, yeah, we can have this level, this area. Yeah, this can be over the lowest of the season. We can mark this one to be the lowest of the season. So I'm gonna mark 0.47 to be the spot. The next spot would be the 0.79. okay, and the high would be this one, 1.96 or whatever. So now I'm gonna move on to the weekly chart. So what do we have here? If we go back in the history, you see why I see the history, because the price action behaves according to the past price action. Okay, so the more the data we can, you know, have from the past, the better would be the predictions. So if we take a look at this candle, this is a swing high candle. You see, this is a swing high candle. If we draw here and if we take a look, you see we got rejections, we got rejections, we got rejections here. I can also, but first let me check. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, we have downtrend from there on. And if I take a look at this, is a guys weekly. Okay, just wanted to let you know, guys, this is on the weekly chart. So white line, you can see the price is behaving around this area. But let me find you something interesting. I can also draw this zone as well, this one. Yeah, this is, you see, a perfect demand zone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw the rectangle around here till the end of this year, so we can have a good area of demand. Demand zone means this is the support zone. You see, one rejection as a resistance, second rejection as a resistance. Okay, these are the resistances. Okay, and from where, when it broke out, it went down, and here it was rejected as a support. It confirms that this is a strong support. So if I delete this one, no, sorry, if I go to there, this one, okay, let me delete this one, make it, this would be the perfect, yeah, 0.79 and 0.76. This is the strong support, guys. This is the strong support. Okay, just keep that in your mind. This is what I think, because this is the demand zone. Okay, this demand zone means the strong support areas, because this is on the weekly and also on the weekly area. So this is a very important zone, 0.79. If anything goes below, and if anything goes below this area and candle closes below this area, then we would be in the bearish trend, and then the next support would be around 0.47. so I'm gonna move on to the daily now. Why I choose the monthly, weekly, daily? Because higher the time frame, the better the price predictions. Okay, so if I go back, just to take an example, just to, you know, mark more areas so we can easily understand the, you know, resistance areas. Here we got clear, you know, swing high, and how perfectly it bounced off here. If we draw the level around this one, I'm gonna make this one to be the dashed line here. we see how perfectly this candle was closed above this area. It tested perfectly, got rejected, tested perfectly, got rejected, and once this level was broken, it went up, and we can mark this one, and yeah, we can say this one another level here at the zone of this zone. Yeah, this zone would be, if I mark this one, swing high. Yeah, swing high. You see, this one is a swing, sorry, this one was the swing high before this candle. Okay, that's why this is the area. So you can mark this one. We see we got a lot of areas of rejection here as well. So price came up and then went down. So these are also important zones. If I go a bit further, here we have this swing high 1.75, and this area we got multiple rejections. So I can mark this one, but I'm gonna go to the latest price action now, so we can do the analysis from this area as well. So guys, what do we have got here? We got this zone as well, this the dotted line zone. This would be our next take profit, okay, because this area has broken. Now we're gonna test at this zone, which would be around 1.18 to 1.13. that would be the zone of, that can be our first take profit at this area. Okay, so if I go back, if I take a look at here, now this is the local resistance. I'm gonna mark this one to be the green one, and you can see we have a rejection from this candle. This is the swing low candle. The price came up, tested the level, so I would mark this one to be a resistance as well, 1.03. Once this level gets broken, we would be going to 1.13 and 1.18. okay, so if any candle closes above this area, okay, any candle closes above this area, then surely we're going to test 1.03 1.13 and 1.18. this is a short-term price analysis, guys, short-term price analysis, not the long-term. So if I go here and delete these ones, and for the sake of this video, I'm gonna draw the volume profile just to check how the price is behaving. It's way too old, so I'm gonna try out. Yeah, the volume is putting here. We have not a lot of volume. If we take a look at here, because the data is very old, you can see here the data is from the 24th of November. So I'm gonna do the latest one. That would be around here when we broke out from this candle. What was the volume profile from this area? So we got, now this could be our point of control. This is a point of control, guys, a huge volume around this area. So that means the strongest support would be around this area, 1.38. but for now this is very far away from where we are now. Okay, so if I go and take a look at here, if you watch here, the volume high, there's a high volume around this area as well. So that's why we got rejections from this area. Let me zoom in so you guys can easily understand. Just take a look at these candles, these volume bars. You see, this one is the high volume bar. Okay, and you can see prior to this one, you can see this is the resistance as well. So high volume is being traded at this area. It means that we see a multiple rejections. You see there are multiple rejections from this area. So this is an important area, guys. No, not an underestimate, but this is an important area of 1.033 level. We need to close above it in order for the price to test previous swing highs here at this level. Otherwise the buying zone would be around this area. Okay, 0.79. you can place your buy orders around here. And at the end of the video, I just want to let you know, guys, keep an eye on the BTC price, as well as most of the times in my videos I tell you guys to watch BTC, because all the altcoins follow the BTC price. So you see we have a good you see the candle is making a W pattern right now, so it can go from this area to, you know, it can move from this one, but we have to first, you know, break above this area 1.033 level. So this is why I make long videos, guys, because I do the detailed analysis. That's why my videos are long and I don't post any, you know, what do you say, the time wasting content. I at the same time I teach you guys, and at the same time I make the analysis, so for you guys can also learn from me and you get the predictions right as well. So guys, try to understand. Okay, I'm gonna draw some Fibonacci levels here. This one would be the perfect one. Yeah, this is the Fibonacci levels from high to lowest point. Okay, and do we have here, yeah, there are multiple areas. You see, if I draw this zone as well, let me show you guys another zone. I have spotted another zone here, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, we have now entered into the zone of consolidation. We might see some wick back to this area. Okay, wait for the price to, you know, stay at this area, so you can place your buy orders accordingly here at this zone 0.93. so now we have some zones around here. This we have the first support now, and then we have the second support. It was not the support now, it was not the support previously. Why? Because here we had this one as the resistance zone, but now the candle has you know, broken above this level. Now we can call this to be our support area, but for that we need this candle to close above this area, and the next candle should be rejected from this area. Then we can call this area has broken, and from there we can move on to the upside. Okay guys, have you got the idea? This video is getting long, it's 17 minutes. Oh god, so I'm gonna end the video here right now, and that's it guys. This is the price prediction of Ripple. Thank you very much.